Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize posting times in Buffer in 2026. If you want your social media posts to reach more people and get better engagement, choosing the right publishing time is very important. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Buffer account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure the social media accounts you want to manage are already connected. Next, click on the Publishing or Calendar section to view your current posting schedule. Here you can see when your posts are planned to go live. Now open the settings for your posting schedule. Buffer allows you to set specific days and times for automatic publishing. Review your existing schedule and decide if any adjustments are needed. Next, visit the Analytics section and check your recent post performance. Pay attention to which posts receive the most likes, comments, clicks, shares, or overall engagement. This information can help you identify the times when your audience is most active. Now update your posting schedule by choosing those high-performing time slots. Spread your posts throughout the week instead of publishing everything on the same day. Next, create a few new posts and add them to your updated schedule. Monitor their performance over the next several days and compare the results with your previous posting times. Finally, continue reviewing your analytics regularly and adjust your schedule whenever your audience behavior changes. Testing different time slots over time will help you discover the best publishing schedule for your content. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to optimize posting times in Buffer step by step. You can now publish your content at the right time, reach more people, and improve your overall social media performance. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.